So, looks like everyone is having a marvelous time. Hello, good to see you. Nice to meet you. Hi there, I'm Cornelia, the local witch. Here's my card. Let's do lunch sometime. And there's that birthday girl, surrounded by all of these gifts and the good little fairy friends. You certainly invited a great number of people, but somehow seem to have overlooked the one person who could be the most delightful guest. Huh? But no, don't apologize. My feelings are hurt, yes. But that doesn't mean I haven't brought along a special gift. For the princess. And brand new, never seen before, curse created by me, Cordelia Bloom, of course. For all the tears you made me shed, you've been celebrating a princess pig instead. And if your guests are feeling blue, they can join in the pig fun too.